Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, then you guys know what you guys should do. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Cause in this YouTube channel One to Step, we post tutorial videos and guide videos just like this. And in today's video, I will show you guys how you guys can see people's liked videos on TikTok. So liked video section is like a section which shows all the videos which the creator has liked or the person whose profile you're checking has liked. So if you want to see the videos which you have liked, it's pretty simple. You can just go on me and then you can click on this heart icon over here, and this is going to show you all the videos which you have liked. So these are all the videos which I have liked. All right, so yeah, it's that simple to see yours. Now to see your other people or your friends, you can just go to the profile. So let's say I want to see this person's liked video section. I can just go to his profile and click on this icon over here. I click on this icon and I can see all the videos which you have liked over here. But as you guys can see, this section is private, so it shows this user's liked videos are private. So basically, if the person whose liked videos you are checking have not make their like videos public, then you guys can't see it. Basically his like section is private, so I cannot see it. But the way to see other people's liked video is basically the same. You come to their profile, click on this icon, and if it is public, then it's going to be displayed over here. So it's that simple. So hope you guys found our video helpful. Then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our channel One to Step, and I will see you guys in my future video. And before leaving, if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye bye.